everyone, this is Ashmita from Civil Center. So, guys, one of our student has doubt on the rate analysis. So, actually, in our previous video of if you take the Hindi session or English session, so in both session we have completed the quantity and rate also, and we have gone in detail of every rates. So how you can calculate the rates with the labor rate also. So guys, for the labor rate, if you will go to the that is with the government rate, so we will work in the CPWD, that is Central Public Work Department. So because why we will go for the that is CPWD rates, because we are organizing this that is course for all for the students of all over India, not only states. Okay, so that's why we will take this. We'll consider this rate. So as per CPWD, you can see. I'm just showing you. You can get this that is PDF in online also, and you can study all these labor rates. So you can see here this all the information has been given here, that you can see this is the latest that is rate that our government of India has that is given us, and you can see these are the that is topics that are given here. So you can see content also here. Wait a minute. Yes, you can see here the contents also. You can see this is the hiring charges of plants and machinery. You can get from here that all the rates, like any machines that we used in construction, or labor rate, or material, earthwork, every rate has been given here. So you can go with this rate. So for labor rate, you can see this is given in page, that is your, I think, 7 to 8. Okay, so all the labor rates will be given in your that is page number 7 to 8. So you can see also here, let me show you also. Okay guys, so this is the first page of this that is rate analysis PDF. So you can see here, this is the basic rate of your that is plant and machinery, which you are going to use in your that is what construction process. Okay, so you can see here all these machines that we generally use in our construction has given here, and with the rate also. You can see here, these are the rates, these are the current rates, and unit you can see here. From here you can get the unit, like suppose this machine you are using. Okay, so this machine charges for a day that is 800 rupees. So it depends on your that is construction work. So depending on your construction work, it will take that is day number of days will be calculated, how many days are going to be used, that is this machine. Okay, how many days we are going to use this machine. So accordingly we will calculate the rate. So rate calculation is very easy. I am not going to describe here. So how to calculate the rate? It is very easy. You already know in both the sessions. We have already provided, and we have already discussed how to calculate these rates. So I am not going to discuss with you now. Just I am showing you that you if you are not getting any rate from your market, or actually one of our student has just said that uh, what will be the rate according to your government. Okay, so there is no that is rates according to your IS code. It only this you can see, this is the government rate. So it changes time to time. Okay, and you can, and the rate also changes, like if you will take the state government rate. Okay, if you are going with the state government rate, so it will also be different, because every rate vary with the area or region, you can say. Okay, so like suppose the rate of labor of sand filling is something around, you can say that something 25 rupees per cubic meter per cubic feet. Okay, so if 25 rupees per cubic meter, so it will be different in if it is in Odisha. For Odisha it is 25 rupees, so it will be different in, that is your Jharkhand or your other states like Punjab, Haryana, any you can any place you can take. So it will be different everywhere. Next, you can see these are the, that is machines that we use, and yeah, these are the levers. You can see here, these are the levers, and also Bandhani, you can Bhisti, you can see these are the classifications of the labors. Okay, so accordingly, the rate is also given, like in your site, how many labors you are using. Suppose you for bricklayer, you can see here for bricklayer first class machine, it charges 738 rupees per day. If in one day he completes like around, suppose around 500 uh, uh, 500 cubic feet. Okay, so means if we complete it in one day, so accordingly you can calculate for your around means for your whole construction work. Okay, so it is very easy. So you can see these are the rates. Here you will find all types of your labors, and the grades are also divided, and according to the grade the rates are also means given here accordingly. So you can also find like how many numbers of labor or how many numbers of mistri, mason, whatever you call, you will take how many numbers of labor you will be applied for the work of construction. So you will also get that that is numbers also in your, if you will search also you will get that. Okay, and it depends on the it depends on the labor also. If you will increase that rate, if you will increase the rate, so he will give you more production as compared to, like given in this you can see PDF, like a day if he covers 500, so he will give you more production if you increase the rate also. So it you can also go, means the rate also vary like this. So now this was the PDF of your CPWD. Okay, so that was for CPWD, but in our side we take that is your private. We consult a contractor, and we hire contractor, and the contractor accordingly give the that is payment to the laborers. Okay, so you can see this is the last experience of our construction site. So how many laborers, and for that is how many duration, you can say, you can see here these are the activities and these are the quantity. So these are the quantities and these are the amounts, rate and duration. So from here you can see the like suppose you can will take excavation. So for excavation of 37 meter cube quantity, the we require, that is 4 laborers and 2 masons minimum. So so the 4 laborers and 2 masons will charge 80 rupees. So if 80 for 80 rupees per cubic meter, so how many sorry, so how much they will cost for doing this much excavation. So it is very simple, we'll have to multiply this quantity into our rates, and we'll get the final, that is your rate. Okay, for doing this much excavation. So this is the experience, and you can also this amount can also be increased if the capacity of labor they increases, or they can they say you that I will provide you more, that is work, as compared to this work. Okay, if they say you, then they will also charge more amount. So accordingly you can calculate the rates. So you can see here, these are the various, that is these are the various steps also, and we have observed with our last construction work of a building. And okay, so now the government rate you can find from online. You can just simply search the latest rate of CPWD India of the labor or everything. You will get from there. Okay, so it is no need to worry for the rates. Okay, so this, I hope this video will help you. And rate is very simple. Suppose you are constructing a building uh, in your nearby area. So you will, generally we don't go for the government rate. Okay, what we do, we generally consult nearby vendors or shopkeepers and consult from them, and whichever material and cost suits you, accordingly we choose the, that is your material, and also we hire the contractor or laborers. Okay, so you can also find the laborers on online site also. You can just like search labor for that is your nearby area, laborers for building construction for your nearby area, and mention your area, and you will get the labor contact also, and the contractor's contact also. Okay, so you will get the number and you can contact them, and you can start your construction. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you and have a nice day.